play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Girl, first of all, this mannequin head right here, it came through. It held me out. Like, I didn't have to style my wig on my head. This is like literally a game changer for me, at least. Like, I ain't never, you know, did a mannequin head, bought a mannequin head, anything. Well, I take that back. I do have a mannequin head. Let me show you. Did what I have. I call her Cynthia. This is Cynthia. You know, I put my wig on. Sometimes she slide off. But y'all know I ordered a lot of things from Temu, right? I ordered my pins. My pins to secure the wig on this mannequin head. Okay. Like, it was like a client. Like, I don't know. Okay, this might be weird for you guys, but it's not weird for me because, you know, that's how I feel. So if that's how I feel, that's what I'm going to explain to you guys. But my mannequin head felt like a client. Like I was doing a client hair. It's been a minute. Well, it ain't been a minute. It's been a while since I've done anybody's hair. I did it like a couple months ago. I did a quick weave on someone, but before then, baby, it's been like years since I've done hair, and my mannequin head felt like a client. This is a old unit that I had a while back. The only thing that I've done off camera was washed it. That's it. And I just used regular shampoo, which is this. I got this from Burlington. It comes with a conditioner as well, but I only wanted to use just the shampoo. And this is what I used. Whatever I used on my natural hair, I'm going to use on my wigs. But y'all, I'm so obsessed. Me doing my hair on this mannequin, baby. I curled it. I curled it. You see these curls, baby? Eventually it'll fall out, and I'm okay with that because it's still going to be some type of curl or wave pattern to it. Also, you guys also seen that I've cut layers in it. Now, before I wore this wig, I did cut layers, and I cut it in, you know, I parted in the middle and I cut layers on each side, but I cut more layers in it today. So I feel like this is so cute. Y'all, I had a whole nother unit that I was gonna wear for the week. Not today. When I put this on, girl. Until next time, folks, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the crib side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, if it 1, yep, 3. SC and double O, T, D, O, double G, G, G. Think about it, 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 think about it. Matter of fact. Think about it.